Darcei. My face looks so flat. Why is my face so flat? Maybe I should sit up. Anyways, guys, I just booked a flight to LA because I'm sad and I have nothing else to do. My apartment's a mess. I'm a mess. So let's leave. So what I have to do before I leave is I have to wash my hair. I have to take a shower. I think that's it. And I still have to pack, of course, because I literally booked my flight like 2 seconds ago and I leave tomorrow. Impromptu trip. I'm gonna try to film this whole vlog on my phone, which is something that I have never done before. So please just bear with me, okay? But honestly, my arm is starting to really hurt right now. And I don't know how vloggers do this. Like, y'all got some jacked arms or something, because like my arm, it's shaking. My arm is shook. I also still have to do laundry. Oh my God.
Okay guys, this is my room. Like, don't judge me or anything, but this is what it looks like.
My underwear is here. Like, don't look at that. Like, oh my God, that is private. Also don't look at my passport. What the hell? I want to pack my Inuyasha shirt to wear on the plane. Here's the issue that I'm having. I'm going from a very cold place in Canada to hot, sunny LA. What I have to do is, oh my God, my underwear, don't look. Look, my Super M sweater is already destroyed. Like, what the hell? So I'm gonna wear my Super M sweater because it's really warm and comfy, but it's not like a full jacket because I have like a huge full jacket in my closet. Can you guys see that? That's it right there. That's it. I don't want to wear that because then I'm gonna have to like lug it around in LA. So we're just gonna wear this Super M sweater and hope for the best. Let's see if we can find the cats, guys. Let's see if we can find the cats.
Oh, hey cat. Hi cat. What you doing, cat? Where's the other cat? Oh, I found her. Hi cat. Little cat. You're a little kitten. Little cat. You're a wee kitten. Little cat.
Update. I haven't actually done anything yet. Also, I forgot to say, hey guys, what's up? It's your favorite bald-headed bitch, and I'm so sorry. I will do better next time. This is my first vlog, okay? Literally, my face? Is my face okay? Okay, guys. What was I gonna say? What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to wash my face, do my hair, look like a presentable human being, and hopefully when I get back to you guys, I won't look like this. I literally look like a potato head right now. Like this is the shape of a potato. Ew! Okay, BRB. Fill me up. Hey, hush, sweet cheese, me, fill me up. Oh, tell me, babe, tell me how you like it, babe. Excuse me, cat. I need this to do my laundry. Let's go pick up our stuff out of the dryer. God damn it. Ew, lint. Folding my underwear, don't mind me. Folding my underwear, twiddle dee dee. Does anyone else pack like 6 pairs of underwear for a 2-day trip? After packing the last of my underwear, I was ready to go on the long and uncomfortable journey to Los Angeles, California, where I would hopefully marry a celebrity, have a quick 72-hour marriage, and make off like a bandit. So I hopped off the plane at LAX with a dream and my cardigan. Okay, so day 1 in Hollywood. I checked in really late at my hotel last night and just passed out. But now I'm just walking around. I think I'm gonna go to IHOP. I've literally never been to IHOP before, guys. Tell me, is it good before I go? Let me know. Holy crap, guys, it's an In-N-Out. I've never seen this before. We don't have this in Canada. IHOP, I wanna hop into you. I wanna hop into you. Once in IHOP, I ordered scrambled eggs with bacon, and it came with the most heavenly sourdough bread. I'm gonna give IHOP a 10 out of 10. Like the true tourist I am, the first thing I did was that I booked a ticket for the TMZ Hollywood tour, where I received this awesome VIP all-access badge. And I was hoping that this would let me into Leonardo DiCaprio's house, but alas, it did not. It did, however, get me a tour of beautiful, garbage-free Los Angeles, all from the comfort of the TMZ bus. We passed by iconic places like Rodeo Drive, Beverly Hills, that's where I want to be. And of course, the Hollywood Walk of Fame. This is where the Oscars are held. And this is where I heard the loudest sneeze ever. Hollywood. Dun 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 Hollywood. Ba 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 da ba da ba ba da ba da ba ba. Is this a real song? I don't know. Hollywood. Dun 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 Hollywood. I hope I don't get copywritten for this. Is this a real song? I think it is. Oh no. Please don't demonetize me, YouTube. I rolled out of bed the next morning extremely enthusiastically after doing nothing but ride around in a bus the previous day. I once again found myself at IHOP where I ordered the same thing as yesterday and creepily watched other people eat. Hey guys, so change of plans. Initially, I was just gonna stay here for basically one day and then leave. But I got invited to a YouTube event that is happening on Thursday, so I'm staying a full week in LA. Yay! That means I can go to Harry Potter World and basically live there. So that's what we're gonna do. Goodbye hotel room that I stayed in for 2 nights. Goodbye bed. Goodbye couch. Goodbye table. Well, that's my umbrella. Goodbye, strange, blacked out windows that look like a prison. I will miss you. So quickly, I made my way to Universal Studios so I could sleep as close to Hogwarts as possible. Oh my god, you guys, you're not gonna believe this hotel room. Are you kidding me? Holy shit. Look at that. Oh my god. That's where all the celebrities live. That's where all the rich people are. Do you think David Dobrik's up there? And if I take you guys over to this side of the window. Yes, bitch. Right there. That's motherfucking Hogwarts. And if I take you guys over to the lovely bathroom. Let's turn on the lights here. Oh my god. Am I rich? There's a full vanity. Look, there's a stool here. Just take it out. And I'm at my full makeup vanity. Wow. And also tissues for when I need to cry. Because it's so beautiful. Y'all know I'm taking a bubble bath over here. Bubble barrels. This bathroom is sick. Can someone tell me why there's a phone by the toilet? The next day! Good morning, Hogwarts. It's Harry Potter Day. Let's go! Welcome to Universal Studios Hollywood. I will be your tour guide today. Just kidding, I've never been here before, and I'm freaking out. I got here at 9 a.m. and first thing I did was run to Hogwarts. I mean, I got off the Hogwarts Express and arrived in the magical town of Hogsmeade. Guys, I was freaking out. Oh my god, Hogwarts is real. Oh my god. First stop was Ollivander's to get my wand. I was chosen for the wand ceremony, and that might have been because I look like a 12-year-old, but I'm not complaining. Next, I got myself some butterbeer, and so did everyone else, and this guy did not look too happy about that. Next stop was Hogwarts itself, where I actually took a tour around the castle, and it was incredible. This is the only serious part of the video because I'm serious about Harry Potter. I had a full English breakfast at the Three Broomsticks, and beans are disgusting. I don't know how English people eat them. Stop lying by saying they're good. They're not good. I took a look around the shops and accidentally bought $500 worth of merchandise. Oopsies. And for anyone who's interested, they have brooms for $300. I was feeling peckish, so I made my way over to Honeyduke's for a snackaroonie. A snick snack, if you will. Ooh. Ah. Honeydukes is where you'll find classics, like Bernie Bot's Every Flavor Beans and chocolate frogs. There's so much sugar in here, just looking at it is making my stomach hurt. Good thing they also sell laxatives here. They even had cute little shows like the Triwizard Tournament and the Hogwarts Choir, which will likely haunt your nightmares forever. But eventually, the sun started setting and it was time to kick everyone out of the park. I mean, board the Hogwarts Express back home. The next day, my friends kidnapped me and took me to Pasadena, where they forced me to partake in physical exercise. All I had was my water bottle and my Converse. We didn't know where we were going, and this dog was our only protection.
Is it the restroom and then you poop and it goes down into the water?
I think so.
That's wild.
Like literally, what is this? Indiana Jones? Where am I?
I'm here. Waterfall.
Finally, we made it to the end of the hike. After a long, hard day of hiking, we visited the local coffee shop and bought some drugs. Then we went and got tattoos. Just kidding! But Ivan did get his ears pierced.
It didn't hurt that much, but now I feel like a bitch.
The next day, I got invited to YouTube Black, so I put on this hot little number from Boohoo that I got 2 hours before that I had to makeshift into something presentable because the straps were too long. You can still see my whole tit anyway, but whatever. Here's a terrible flash picture of a beautiful pillow. Here was our menu. It was super black with foods like collard greens, I still don't know what those are, and fried chicken.
Darcei!
Here's some footage of all of your favorite Black YouTubers dancing to copyrighted music. Unfortunately, the next morning was my flight back to Toronto, so I packed up all of my stuff and said goodbye. Goodbye, best hotel room ever. Goodbye, toilet with weird phone next to it. Goodbye, comfy bed. Goodbye, couch. And goodbye, Hogwarts. I shall miss you most of all. So I hopped on the plane at LAX with my dreams fulfilled, but I had somehow lost my cardigan. I decided to fly first class, up in the sky, popping champagne, living the life in the fast lane. Ho! Shawn Mendes was sitting 2 seats away from me, but I was too busy looking at mountains and eating beef tenderloin to notice. Did the cats even notice I was gone? Unlikely.